Welcome to Hutchison House Museum. Today we're going to learn how to make kaleidoscopes out of paper towel tubes and another variety of things that you can find around your house. In your kits you'll find a paper towel tube, a 3-line grid, a piece of saran wrap, a piece of plastic called mylar, a decorative piece of paper, some sequins, an eyepiece template, and a piece of wax paper. To do this, you will also need a marker or a pen, some scissors, and some tape. This tape could be Scotch tape or it could be decorative tape as well. To start, you're going to take your mylar and you're going to place it over top of your grid. Now, if you're having trouble tracing, you might want to take just a little piece of tape and tape it to your paper. That way your plastic doesn't move around. You're going to trace your outline. Now, if you don't have a steady hand, you might want to take a ruler and just line the ruler up with your lines and trace your lines next to the ruler so that your lines are nice and straight. Just set that one aside here. So what you have will be a tracing of that grid. Now, your grids will have the words cut and fold. You don't have to trace the lettering. That's just so you know where to cut and where to fold. So right now we're going to cut our outer edges. And once you have your outer edges cut, you're going to fold on the line. So you're going to fold the outside edge towards the inside, flip it around, fold that other outside edge towards the inside, and then you're going to take some Scotch tape and you're going to tape these two outside edges together. So that you have something that looks like a triangle. Okay, and once you have that finished, you can just go ahead and slide that in your paper towel tube. So next, we're going to do the eyepiece. So that's this brown piece of paper with a circle, these tabs on it. And what you're going to do first is cut around the outside edges. And in the center of your eyepiece, there's a little dot, and what you're going to do first is you're going to poke a hole through it. Now, I'm going to use a skewer. You could use a toothpick if you've got a pointy pair of scissors, just something that's small and has a little bit of a point to it. You don't want your hole to be too big. Just a small hole is good. Okay? And next you're going to fold down on the dotted lines. And these are going to be your tabs, and that's how we're going to attach your eyepiece to the paper towel tube. Okay, so you're going to take your eyepiece, you're going to put it on one end, and you're going to take some tape. Now this can be Scotch tape or it can be decorative tape. So in my case, this is actually electrical tape. Let me just get it started here. Okay. So you're going to hold it down and you're going to tape your tabs, go all the way around. I'm just going to go all the way around and cover my whole tabs. Just cut some scissors. And now you have your eyepiece attached. So to do the other end, the fun end, the first step you're going to do is take a little bit of your saran wrap. So that's this clear plastic. Now in the kits, the saran wrap is between the mylar and the grids. Now this piece of plastic is pretty big, so I'm going to just cut a little bit of it off here. Set that to the side. And you're going to put this over top of the other end. Now you want to have a little bit of a dent, so just a little bit of a dent here. There we go. And then you're going to take some of your sequins. Now I have a big bag of them. You'll have a few in your kit here. Oops, got all butterflies. Let's take some of your butterflies out. Let's put some other things in here too. Okay. Okay, and once you have some of your sequins in the top here, you're going to take your wax paper, you're going to fold it over top and hold it tight. And then you're going to do the same thing with your Scotch tape or whatever tape you're using to decorate your kaleidoscopes. And start at the top, go all the way around, and you want to cover all of the wax paper. So keep going around and round with the tape. Until everything is covered. And at this point, if you want to try it out, you can. We're going to decorate ours first. So I have a piece of decorative paper that are in each of your kits. And I'm just going to use the Scotch tape to line it up. If you don't want to use tape, you can also use glue. However, for demonstration purposes, it's much faster to use tape. And you're going to wrap it all the way around. I'm going to use a little bit more tape. And there you have it. Now, if you like, you can further decorate this with markers and stickers and anything else you have lying around the house to make your kaleidoscopes more personal to you. So once you're done your kaleidoscope, in order to use it, all you need to do is look through your little eyepiece, which is that hole you punched through before, and then aim your opposite end here at the light. And this light could be the sun, it could be a lamp, some light in your room, and then turn your kaleidoscope. And as you turn it, you'll see different shapes as your sequins move around and the light is reflected off of the plastic on the inside of your tubes. I hope you enjoyed making your kaleidoscopes. Please check out our other YouTube videos to see other fun day camp ideas that you can do from Hutchison House Museum.